All right, today I'm here in 15907 East 74th Street North in Stone Creek of Owasso, home of the place where the lowest property taxes in the greater Tulsa area is here in Rogers County. Today I want to take you on a tour of our Forsythia and tell you 3 really cool features inside of this home, plus tell you how you can save hundreds of dollars a month off of your payment and how you can get a home at a payment that's about $70,000 below the price of this home. All right, stay tuned till the end. Feature number 1, you can kind of see it right behind me. I mean, we've got this vaulted ceiling that goes right out through the back patio. On the back patio, you also have a vaulted ceiling. You've got beams. You get a ton of natural light through all these extra tall windows. Then if you look behind me over here, you also have huge picture windows in the nook. I mean, look at all of the natural light just pouring into this home. This is one of the coolest features on this plan, and I think you're definitely going to like that feature. Feature number 2 is this do whatever you want with it room. I mean, right here off of the main entry of the home, we come into this space that's labeled as a study on our floor plan. But I've seen families use this room for a lot of different things with this vaulted ceiling that goes up almost 2 stories high and has the big window up there for all the natural light. You could use it for a lot of different features. I've seen people use it as a kid's playroom, a dining room, a study, all kinds of stuff. So this room is going to fit that need where it's like, if I just had one more space, well, on the Forsythia, you've got it. Last but not least is we call this a split plan. What that means is the 2 non-master bedrooms are right here off of this hallway, completely over on this side of the home, and then if I spin us around here, you get all the way over to the other side, and right down this hallway right here is where the master is. So you've got the master on one side, the other bedrooms completely on the other side. This is a complete split plan. Everybody has their space, everybody has their privacy. All right, now I want to tell you about the most incredible incentive Shaw Homes has done in their 36-year history. Right now, this home has a $30,000 incentive on it. Now, you can use it a couple of different ways. We can use it to buy down your interest rate permanently for the life of the loan, or pay your closing costs, or take it off the price of the home, or any combination of the 3. If we were to buy down the interest rate, you're going to be 2 to 2.5% below any rate you're going to get out there in the market. So if you're out there trying to buy a used home, this brand new home with our lower interest rate would have the same payment as you would have on a used home that's $70,000 less than this. It's a no-brainer offer we're making. Come see us today. Check out this or any of our other move-in ready homes at shawhomes.com.